Thank you for joining us today. My name is Zach Brandt with Computer System Innovations, and I will be going over our iDocument product today. A little bit about CSI. We've been an authorized iMIS solution provider since 1992, and we are the leading provider of add-on products to the iMIS community. iDocument allows for staff to create complete documentation for their entire iMIS setup. Some of the reasons we created iDocument were there was no central repository for all of your iMIS setup information. Your setup includes activities, user-defined windows, business objects, IQAs, reports, tables, views, stored procedures, functions, and jobs. Your data is changing on a regular basis, and there's many people in your office that need the ability to update this data. And everyone in your staff needs easy access to be able to find the final data product. And sometimes people win the lottery and they take all the knowledge with them. So we've created iDocument. iDocument is a user installable tool that allows you to document your activities, your user-defined windows including panel editor, business objects, IQAs, reports, as well as allowing you to document your SQL tables, views, stored procedures, functions, jobs. All of your SQL tables, views, stored procedures, functions, and jobs can be filtered for ease of entry. After you've documented all of these items, you can then create a searchable HTML document of all of the items that you have created. You can also store this documentation on your wiki, your intranet, or even your server. A couple of real-world use cases for iDocument. One being if you had an end user that needed to know if soft credits were included in the amount in a custom view. This is something that you could capture in the notes field under that view. This is an example of an end user documenting the linking using the iDocument product in the notes field for this table. Something else you could use iDocument for is to confirm if a SQL job had run, when it was last run, and whether it was successful or not. Now let's take a look at iDocument. To access iDocument, you will go to your Start menu, Programs, in the CSI Programs folder. There you'll find iDocument as well as the user guide. You'll log in with your iMIS credentials. You do not need to be manager, but you do need to be level 4 or higher in customers. Upon logging in, it will also ask you for your SA password. This is to give you access to the SQL jobs. If you do not have your SA password, you can click No Thanks and it will still let you run the program, but not give you access to the SQL jobs. And this is iDocument. As you can see, it has all of your iMIS activities, your user windows, your business objects, your IQAs, your reports, your tables, views, stored procedures, functions, and should you have put in the SA password, it would show your SQL jobs. As you notice, if there is a field that has a note on it, it will have an icon next to that field name. You can see that this eResume activity has multiple prompts, and under the prompts you can see the various notes that might have been populated by the end user. After you've populated all of the items that you'd like to document, you will then click the Generate Documentation button. This will give you the option of what information you'd like to display in your documentation. You can show all of the items, you can only show items with metadata, and you can pick and choose between the various iMIS and database areas that you've documented. You'll click Generate. It will then populate everything and export it into an HTML file, and from here you can do with it what you'd like. As you can see, it has now populated the documentation for the items that you have created. That eResume activity, it shows the notes that we had populated, It also shows the notes for the various prompts and then shows you the activity window layout. This documentation will show everything that you have compiled in the iDocument tool. For current pricing, please contact your solution provider. All CSI products come with 1 year of free unlimited support and product updates. The annual software update fee is 20% of the then current product price, and we bill those annually. As long as you remain current on your software update fees, you will continue to receive unlimited support and product updates. If you are a member of NIOG, you are eligible for a 5% discount on the following products. In addition, if you purchase 2 or more of these products, you can also qualify for an additional 5% discount. If you'd like any additional information on any of our products, or you'd like to place an order for one of our products, you can contact your solution provider, or you can contact CSI at sales@csiinc.com.